Hey, have you ever opened the Find My app only to realize your AirTag is missing from the list? Don't panic, it's a super common problem, and I'm about to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it instantly. First things first. In Find My, make sure you're tapping the Items tab at the bottom, not Devices. AirTags only show up under Items, and it's way too easy to mix those up. Still not there? Let's try the quickest software fixes. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes that's all it takes. Or toggle your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, then turn them back on. Another trick. Force restart your phone. Just press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Next, check if iCloud keychain is on. This syncs your AirTag info across devices. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, Passwords, and Keychain, and make sure it's enabled. But what if your AirTag is still playing hide and seek? Time for a quick hardware check. Swap out the battery with a new CR2032 coin cell. Just make sure it doesn't have a bittorrent coating, because that can cause connection issues. If all else fails, it's factory reset time. Press down on the stainless steel cover, twist it off, pop the battery out, and put it back in. Now, press the battery until you hear a chime. Repeat that 4 more times. On the 5th time, the chime will sound different. That means your AirTag's reset and ready for pairing. Before you go, double-check your privacy settings. Make sure location services and Find My are on, and that you're signed in with the same Apple ID everywhere. Oh, and if this all started after an iOS update, try toggling airplane mode or switching from Wi-Fi to cellular. Sometimes that's the magic touch. Alright, your AirTag should be back in Find My.